Alright, so we've got unboxing video. Oh, what do we have? It is a Pigtronix Philosopher Bass Compressor Micro. Welcome to the realm of Pigtronix. Pigtronix Philosopher Bass Compressor Micro brings the heralded Philosopher's Tone Compressor circuit to basses in a micro-sized stop box format. The sustain control on this pedal varies the compression threshold to provide everything from subtle peak limiting to infinite clean sustain, all with incredible low-end response. Features noiseless clean sustain, blend control for parallel compression, grid control, mixes in bass distortion, runs on standard 9-volt external adapter, 18-volt internal headroom, true bypass switching, size is 3 3/4 inches by 1.5 inches by 1 3/4 inches. Futuristic analog tone. Cool. It's a cute little box. Let's open it up, see what's in there. Oh, there's a little pig. Pretty cute pig. Got the Philosopher Bass Compressor Micro User's Guide. Put that down. We got the Philosopher's Bass Compressor Micro. Yeah, it's pretty small. Fits in your hand. Yeah. It's got some Velcro. It is pretty nice. Ooh, the controls are really nice. Got a little pig on it. Quality control made in China. Alright, so let's see what this bass compressor micro user guide says. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see. So, Pigtronix Philosopher's Bass Compressor brings a heralded Philosopher's Tone Compressor circuit to basses in a micro pedal. And it basically says what it said on the box. I'm not going to read it. Explanation of the controls. Sets the threshold for the compressor. Sustain. Sets the threshold for the compressor. Turn it up for more intense compression and sustain. Blend determines the mix of affected and dry signal. And the effect gets more intense as the knob is turned clockwise. Grit blends in a layer of warm and woolly overdrive inspired by Jack Bruce. I'm looking forward to checking it out. Volume sets the overall output level of the device when engaged. Turn it up for a boost. Yeah. Cool. Looks like it's got a warranty. To validate your warranty, you got to register within 30 days of your purchase. So, yeah, fun. Well, let's check it out. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in here somewhere, some power. 9 volts coming in. Yeah, it's a cool little blue light in there. I grab my bass and patch cord. I have the grid all the way up. lowers the volume of the bass quite a bit. Like maybe that's about nominal there. So if you crank it up almost all the way up. But then when you bring the compressor in, you gotta bring it back down. Sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty cool. Sounds like an SVT or something. Pretty cool little compressor. This little pedal has some pretty good sustain to it. I kind of like it. I mean, I got it for $60 at Musician's Friend. It was like half off, you know, one of their crazy deals. And I wasn't sure if I would like it or not. I usually run a DBX 166. But it's really cool. I'll have to mess around with it some more. Anyways, that's the Pigtronix Philosopher bass compressor micro. I guess you gotta kind of be into that type of distortion. That's kind of what it's got, you know. It kind of almost sounds like a DBX, DBX 160 almost, but not there. I'm just going right from that bass compressor distortion into the power amp. I'm not using a preamp or anything, so I'll probably run it through, you know, maybe this Behringer direct box, and octaver and all this stuff. This is kind of what I'm running for my bass right now. So, yeah, I don't know if it was worth $60, but what the hey, you know? Better than drinking it away, you know? Anyways, guys, so that's the Pigtronix bass compressor micro first impressions. And if you like the video, subscribe for more videos and give it a thumbs up. Appreciate it.